trying to, Anyway, peace and blessings. It's your boy F Gotti coming back at you again with vlog number 3. This is the 3. Hold up. Yeah, I feel like this might be like an album, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I just dropped a V3 today, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, welcome back, my fellow free top formers, my fellow brethren, my fellow sisters. I appreciate y'all for coming back to the channel. I couldn't wait to do this today, you know what I'm saying? Actually, I think I was supposed to do this actual video tomorrow, but I'm not gonna wait tomorrow. I couldn't wait. I said, I gotta do a video. Back at you again, vlog 3 months of twisting, free form. I'm gonna tell y'all what I did. Like I said, only thing that I used was the Jamaican wax lime. I used that twice, and that's only to keep that hole in my hair. Before I used that, I used the sponge. That way I can position my hair, get all of the spots in there, and then I come right behind it with the wax, and I twisted it, put the clamps in there. And yeah. Oh yeah, shouts out to the Ravens. I'm from Baltimore. My daughter's name is Raven. I'm a Raven fanatic. I love the Ravens, not just because I'm from Baltimore, but we some freaking winners, man. You know what I'm saying? That's how I go down, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, how y'all think my hair looking though? You know what I'm saying? Look, 3 months later, free forming. Like I said, I only wash it. I wash it once a week. Once a week, or like once every other week. Apple cider, shampoo, vinegar. I don't really use shampoo, actually. I might use it once a month, like shampoo, and that's to get that deep clean. Other than that, I just run some water through it. Let it run its course. Vitamin E oil. I put this in my hair a lot too. Y'all don't got this. Y'all can go to like y'all local grocery store and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Go cop this joint right here. I like to put it in my head. You know what I'm saying? My little beard. You know, have my face looking all shiny. So when I walk up into the grocery store, walk up in there like this here, you know what I mean? They start looking. I feel like I need to have some real music. Anyway, like I said, this vlog number 3, man. I really appreciate, thank you, first of all, whoever is following my channel, whoever is supporting me behind my vlogs. I'm trying to be more open, trying to keep my character and everything. I didn't know that Nike check was like that. Try to keep my character, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to be, you know, more animated, more interesting, you know what I'm saying? Not just a nigga just standing in front of the camera just talking about his hair, like, yeah, you know, And speaking of that, let me show y'all my link. I'm not gonna crank my forehead up this time. Check this out. Wow, I'm in the middle of my eyebrows now, son. Yo, that's crazy. Thought I looked good now for this vlog. I done shaved the beard off and everything. I ain't gonna lie, I just looked like I stepped out the pen in the last vlog. You thought I was cousin Keith, cousin Ken. Yeah, man, this boy cousin Ken. I just came down the road. Look at my hair though. Yeah, that's what I did down the road, baby. It's your boy F Gotti 14. Thank you again. Peace and blessing to my fellow free top formers, my fellow brethren, my fellow sisters. Shouts out to the Ravens. You know what I'm saying? Salute. I live in Atlanta, Georgia right now. I'm not a Falcons fan. I've never really been a Falcons fan. I'm a Ravens fan. Shouts out to the Ravens. Shouts out to my daughter Raven. Love you, baby. Peace and blessings. Again, subscribe, comment. If you got any concerns, if you got any questions, if you got any input for me, just hit me down. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna post the link in the description on everything that I've been using. Like I said, it's not hard. Only thing you need is the sponge. If you got short hair, if you don't have nobody do your hair, go get you the sponge from like Beauty Supply. Something it's like $5. Get you Jamaican wax. That's like $3, $4. Get you some clips, some hair clips, and a blow dryer. All together, you'll be looking like this for under $20, man. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, holla at your boys. Your boy F Gotti 14 signing out.